Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my HealthSmart 3-piece universal jar opener. Is it just me or does anyone else also have a hard time opening jars sometimes? That is why I was so excited to find this universal jar opener bundle, which has really helped me be more efficient when I'm cooking meals by speeding up the process of opening jars for meals. This bundle has 3 different pieces. There is the 4-in-1 jar opener. We also have the silicone non-slip pad and also the multi-purpose bottle and can opener. I love that this set is multifunctional, which means I can use it for all kinds of different situations. The silicone pad gives a good grip so it doesn't slip when I try to open the lid of a glass jar. The bottle opener is also a nice addition and convenient to have in my drawer whenever I need help opening bottles. I only used the 4-in-1 jar opener so far, and it made it so much easier for me to open stuck-on jar lids. The jar opener has 4 different jaw sizes that I can use for different size lids. When about to use it, I place the jaws onto my jar lid to figure out which jaw size I should use for that particular lid size. The jar opener can be stretched out a little bit wider if needed as well in order to properly position it onto the lid. Once positioned, I just need to hold onto the 2 feet of the jar opener and turn counterclockwise to open the jar. That day I had a hand injury and I wasn't able to open the jar lid on my own. Using the jar opener, it was so easy to twist open without putting even more pressure on my injured hand. Overall, this set is a neat little gadget that can really help in the kitchen for when you need to open bottles or jars. If you are in the market for a jar opener set, either for yourself or to give as a gift for Christmas, birthdays, or just everyday use, be sure to take a look at this.